In this video, I show you how to uninstall, delete or remove Let's Go Wild Lite app. For doing this, go to settings, then click on apps. Now click on Let's Go Wild Lite app. You can see that here no uninstall option. Scroll down. Now click on Home app. Now click your default launcher, my case Pixel launcher or other launcher, system launcher. Click on it. Then go to settings again. Then go to apps. Then click on Let's Go Wild Lite app again. Now click on uninstall. Then click on OK. Now I hope that you uninstall, remove, delete Let's Go Wild Lite app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.